A couple of days ago, we saw Samsung officially unveil the new Galaxy Z Flip 5, a phone packed with exciting upgrades. And now it's time to turn our attention to its bigger brother, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest evolution of Samsung's most ambitious foldable phone series. Just like the Flip 5, the Fold 6 brings a bunch of cool changes and improvements that make it more than just a phone. It's a tall and narrow AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, streaming, or running demanding apps, it handles it all smoothly and efficiently. It features a dual-cell battery setup totaling around 4,400 mAh. Its camera system comprises a triple rear camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. This interface includes advanced multitasking tools, a taskbar for seamless app switching, drag and drop between apps, and the ability to save app pairs, for instance. The phone is also equipped with a high-quality microphone array ensuring clear call quality and reliable voice recording. It is incredibly handy whether you're really looking to be productive or just want to enjoy your favorite content. The combination of a tablet-like display and smartphone portability is truly special, and Samsung's optimization of the software and hardware makes the entire experience seamless and enjoyable. However, it is important to consider that the Z Fold 6 is a premium device that comes with a higher price tag. If you're not willing to invest in a top-of-the-line foldable phone, it might not be the best choice. Nonetheless, if you're seeking a phone that offers unmatched versatility, exceptional performance, and a glimpse into the future of smartphone technology, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a fantastic option. The haptics have been improved to providing precise and satisfying vibrations for a responsive user experience. Whether you're typing, unlocking, or navigating the UI, the tactile feedback is on point. Additionally, the Fold 6 offers a robust set of connectivity features, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and dual SIM support. It seamlessly connects to various devices and accessories, making it a versatile tool for communication and entertainment. Moreover, its readiness for the next generation of mobile communication ensures longevity and adaptability. When unfolded, it transforms into a productivity powerhouse with a large screen and intuitive controls. The taskbar makes navigating and switching between apps effortless, while the ability to pin frequently used apps to the side panels ensures quick access to essential tools. What do you think of the new updates? Are you planning to get one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content. Split-screen multitasking is fantastic, allowing you to work on documents, watch videos, and research topics simultaneously. The Z Fold 6 becomes a multitasking beast, excelling at juggling multiple apps and tasks at once. Whether you're attending online classes, managing projects, or entertaining yourself, the Fold 6 caters to your needs. The main wide camera captures sharp and vibrant images with strong performance in daylight. While low-light images are decent, they may not match the quality produced by the best-in-class flagships. The ultra-wide camera is excellent for landscape shots, group photos, and creative perspectives, delivering images that are equally impressive in daylight and low-light conditions. The telephoto lens provides optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects without losing detail. The phone's camera software enhances dynamic range, adjusts exposure intelligently, and offers various shooting modes such as night, portrait, and pro mode. These features cater to different user preferences and provide flexibility in diverse shooting scenarios. On the front, the cover screen hosts a punch-hole camera suitable for selfies and video calls. It offers good quality, but the under-display camera on the main screen might not be ideal for picture quality. But it's handy for video calls when the display is unfolded. Video recording capabilities are smooth and detailed with options for 4K at various frame rates. Reliable image stabilization ensures steady footage, making it suitable for capturing events or vlogs. Even with its large display and high-performance components, it manages to provide solid battery life. However, it's worth noting that the inner display consumes more battery compared to the outer screen. Users who primarily rely on the outer display for tasks like texting, browsing, or navigation can stretch the battery life further. The Fold 6 supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. It can charge to around 50% in about 30 minutes using a 25-watt charger. This makes it convenient to top up the battery quickly, without having to wait for hours. Additionally, the phone's charging speeds have been optimized to deliver a full charge without degrading long-term battery health. Smart charging features kick in to protect the battery from overcharging during overnight sessions, ensuring it stays fresh for extended periods. The 12 gigs of RAM and ample storage options ensure that you won't face any hiccups or slowdown. Even heavy gaming sessions or extensive multitasking don't seem to affect its performance. And the large internal screen is a game changer. You can use 3 apps at once, pop up windows, drag and drop between apps and split screens effortlessly. The experience is much like having a laptop, but it's incredibly portable. It's ideal for people who need to work on the go, or for anyone who wants to get more done with their phone. The phone also has a robust cooling system, so even during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking, it doesn't overheat. Plus, the gaming experience is enhanced with a large immersive audio, giving you a true entertainment hub right in your hands. So it's smooth and responsive for everyday tasks like checking notifications, browsing, or even taking quick pictures. The main draw of this phone is definitely that huge inner display. When you unfold it, you get a tablet-like AMOLED panel measuring around 7.6 inches. It's got a 120Hz refresh rate and looks absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep, and contrast is on point. The bezels are minimal and there's hardly any gap in the middle. The whole experience is fantastic for watching movies, editing documents, gaming, or anything else you can think of. It's a pleasure to use and way more immersive than a regular smartphone. Plus, with the included S Pen Folder Edition, you can take notes, draw, or navigate precisely. The pen adds another level of convenience. And yes, the crease is still there, but it's less noticeable than before. You might feel it if you run your fingers over it, but it doesn't obstruct the display and you'll probably get used to it quickly. It's like having a mini tablet that easily fits in your pocket. So let us check out what the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is all about and see why it might be worth considering. Design and build quality. First things first. The Z Fold 6 looks similar to its earlier siblings, but there are some nice little updates. For starters, they've managed to make it a bit lighter and thinner, so it's more comfortable to hold in your hands, especially when it's completely unfolded. That big inner screen looks amazing, but it doesn't have those pesky creases anymore. Of course, it still has a few fingerprints here and there, but they did a great job in keeping it as smooth as possible. On the back, you get a sleek triple camera setup, along with that trendy oval-shaped camera bump. And on the side, there's a fingerprint sensor for quick and easy unlocking. When you unfold it, you get a massive tablet-like display that's perfect for getting stuff done. The screen is super responsive and smooth, making it a great experience, whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or working on documents. One thing to mention is that when it's closed, you'll notice a slight gap in the middle, but it's nothing too distracting. Plus, the device is built to handle dust and dirt, so you don't have to worry about those little particles messing up your phone. Overall, the Z Fold 6 looks like a premium phone and feels like it too. Display Techno Dino. Let's talk about the screen. As usual, you get a cover screen when the phone is closed. Performance and hardware. Galaxy Z Fold 6 packs the Snapdragon HN2 4 Galaxy chip, which means you get top-notch performance for everything you throw at it. Battery life and charging. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 performs admirably, lasting a full day of normal use. Camera capabilities. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts many remarkable features, it might not be considered the absolute best in mobile photography. Software and multitasking features. Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs on Samsung's custom Android interface specifically designed for foldable functionality. Audio haptics and connectivity. In terms of audio, the Z Fold 6 delivers rich stereo sound with Dolby Atmos support, making it great for both work and entertainment. User experience and value. The Z Fold 6 is like having a personal assistant that fits in your pocket. And that's about it for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this device.